Virginia, United States. It's early May, it's very warm, the sun is shining, birds are singing, and my friends keep telling me that there'd be no snow in the entire state. Well, I think they were wrong. I'm at the Wintergreen ski area, about 300 kilometers southwest of Washington DC, and there are some spots of snow left. That's great. Interestingly, I looked at the webcams for the ski area before I left, and there were some spots of white, and my friends told me that that's probably bird poo, not snow, but I think that's actually snow. Nevertheless, bird poo or snow, I'm gonna ski that. And now back to the car. That was about 2 seconds ski run and about 6 hour drive to get here and back. So a difference of 7,000 times between effort and fun. That's alright. I get a new state that I have skied at.